It has been rumored since some time that Xiaomi's Mi CC9 series could end up being the Android One Mi A3 series outside of China. Well, those rumors just got more steam as a Xiaomi M1906 F9sh model was just spotted at the FCC. Additionally, the handset has also appeared on IMDA Singapore with the same model number. This model number is exactly the same as the model number of the Mi CC9e except for the last letter, which is C in the Mi CC9e. FCC documents usually don't reveal a lot of details, but that's not the case today, as this listing has images of the rear with its dimensions and some big nuggets of information. For starters, it has a 48MP AI camera marking on the rear. The cutout seems large enough to accommodate a triple camera setup, and there's a clear Android One logo at the bottom alongside a Xiaomi logo. The same model has also appeared at the EAC in Russia. Display 6.08 inch. Processor Snapdragon 665. Front camera 32 megapixel, rear camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. RAM 4GB. Storage 64GB. Battery capacity 4030 mAh. OS Android Pie. Resolution 720x1560 pixels.